Welcome back to my e-estate video. In today's video, I want to show you how to deposit and purchase your property in e-estate. Now, remember that before you start to do your deposit, you should have, registered. If you haven't, please, I will advise you and recommend you go to how to sign up video and watch that video, sign up, follow all the steps, and then come back and watch how to deposit and purchase your property. So it is very easy to purchase your property in e-estate. So once you have finished your registration, you come back here and you go to your dashboard. Okay, this is how to do it correctly. Okay, how to deposit and purchase your property. I always advise people and recommend for anybody to follow these steps. So go to your dashboard and you want to click on this real estate. Okay, so the reason why you are coming to this real estate is to determine which property you want to purchase. So therefore, you will know how much you are going to get on a daily basis, and of course that will now give you correct information on how much you are going to deposit. So on my right hand side here, they have a profit calculator that you can actually use to calculate how much you are going to earn based on how much you are going to contribute. As I said before, the minimum to deposit is $10, and if you want to deposit $10, you are going to purchase a fraction of this property that is in Miami. It's one apartment. Okay, so you can see it said apartments in Miami, all right, Florida. So yeah, come here and think of the property you want to purchase. Okay, now you can put more than $10 if you wish. You will not, once you enter $100 there, you will notice that your daily pay will increase and your monthly pay, of course, will increase. Okay, but of course, as I said, the minimum to start is $10. So you can click on this drop down menu and you will see different properties. You can see apartments. You will see, when you select apartment, it will tell you how much minimum that you are going to deposit for you to be able to purchase a fraction of that property. Okay, so you have all of these options. You have option to do houses. If you purchase a fraction of house property, that will give you a minimum of $480. If you purchase a fraction of villas, that will give you a minimum of $3,120 deposit, but in a daily basis you are going to be earning $19.03 on a daily basis. So once you are able to determine how much you are going to be earning on a daily basis and which property you are going to deposit into, you will now come up here and click on buyer again and then click on e-wallet. Okay, so now you are on e-wallet. What do? You select deposit. It's always default to deposit anyway. So here you have different options of deposit using cryptocurrency. So you have the TRC20, which is USDT TRC20. You have ERC20. You have BEP20. You have Theta on Solana, and you have many other options here as well. Okay, so you can use either of these options for your deposit. So in this video tutorial, I am going to use USDT BEP20 because it's cheaper network gas fee that you pay for this, okay, or transaction fee. So because I have already checked how much my property is going to cost, the minimum, I am just going to type 3,125. Now remember that you have to deposit a little bit more above the amount that you have been asked to deposit for your choosing property. Okay, remember that the villa that I wanted to purchase is $3,120, but I am going to send 125, just $5 above that. Okay, click confirm. Once you click confirm, it's going to generate a deposit address. This is the deposit address. Now copy the deposit address and go to your exchange or wallet and send the amount. Okay, so you copy the address, you go and send the amount. Now you have two options to send the money. You can send it from an exchange, or you can send it through your decentralized wallet. Okay, if you want to send it through your decentralized wallet, then you have to make sure that the cryptocurrency you have chosen and the network has that gas fee for that decentralized wallet. But you head back to your eStage account, this is what you see. You will see exactly the amount of money you have deposited. Okay, in my own case, I am buying a villa, and the amount of the villa is $3,120, and I sent a little bit more above that. So in my wallet, I will see my balance appearing. So once my balance is appeared, I will now go ahead and start selecting my property to buy. The next thing you will do is you come to your left hand side here where it says real estate. Click into the real estate, and then once you are in the real estate, you select your tokenized property that you want to purchase. So for example, this video tutorial, I am going to purchase one of the villas with $3,120. I have already purchased a couple of properties, but I want to use this one as well to show you how to get this done. For now, I am going to select the villas. So I will now click buy property. Okay, when you click buy property, this window will open, okay, for you to choose if you want to enable the auto capitalization, which is the reinvestment of your profits. So if I hover around here, you will notice that it says when this option is selected, your daily profit will be automatically added to your investment. Future earnings will be calculated based on the growing total amount. This compounding process continues for 18 months and cannot be disabled once activated. So think twice before you check this button if you want to check the button, because that will not be deactivated for the next 18 months. In this video tutorial, I am not checking that box because I want to be seeing my profit on my dashboard on a daily basis. Okay, but if you want to auto compound or reinvest, then check the box. So I'm going to click pay now, and then we just click sign contract, and then here you are going to just type in your name or scribble your name. Okay, so in this instance, I'm just going to scribble my name there, and then I will just click on sign contract. Okay, so that's my name, what I can do with my keypad just now, okay, or my mouse rather. Okay, so that's what I can do just now. So I will click sign contract. Contract signed, as you can see. So once contract is signed, you will now just look below that contract signed. You will see your pay with balance button. Okay, so you just click pay with balance to complete your payment. Remember, when you sign the contract, that is just you signing the contract and the invoice is already given to you, so you've not paid yet. So you need to make sure that you click this pay with balance to complete the process. Once you click pay with balance, you will notice that your contract and your real estate is being purchased, and you want to do final check. Okay, so you just go back to your buyers tab right on top of your menu bar, and then select real estate. Once you select real estate, you scroll down on that page, you should see your tokenized real estate that you have purchased. Okay, so congrats and welcome to eState. This is it. This is how to purchase your contract from. So guys, thank you very much. If you like what you are seeing, by all means use the link below this video description to sign up, and welcome to eState.